Hello traders, welcome back. Well, before we dive into today's EA, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now today's video is going to be a bit different and it's going to be on Bitvora EA for MetaTrader 5. And honestly, like I said earlier, this review is gonna be a bit different from our usual ones. Now I went straight to the MQL5 Market page with the product number 189762, and the first thing you see is that it is not available for purchasing anymore. The page used to show that standard message saying if you already bought it, you can still reinstall it from my purchases as long as you've got activations left. Now, even that page is gone, full 4 completely removed, and only this is left. So let's talk about what this actually means when you're looking at an EA like this. There's no strategy description left. No mention of what powers the entries. No talk about whether it's trend following, mean reversion, breakout, scalping on gold, multi-pair, nothing. No live signal links, no backtest screenshots from the developer, no list of features, no recommended timeframes, pair, or risk settings. The entire public presence of this product has been wiped. When an EA disappears from the market like this, it usually happens for one of a few reasons. Sometimes the seller puts it after too many support requests or refunds. That means they can't handle it anymore, so they took it down. Sometimes Meta quotes remove it after there have been lots of complaints about the EA or for any other reason, like the developer doesn't need it anymore or the developer requested them to remove it. Sometimes sales just stop and the developer moves on. Whatever the reason, once it's gone, so is any ongoing support, update, or accountability. For anyone who already purchased it, you can still install it through the usual My Purchases section in the navigator as long as your activations remain. That is the only practical upside. For new buyers, you're out of luck. No more licenses are being sold at the moment, and there are no news about the EA. Now, because there's literally nothing left of the page, I can't walk you through the usual claims the way I normally would. There's no this EA uses multi-time frame confluence, or protected by hard stop loss on every trade, or prop firm ready language to examine. Nothing. So any detailed strategy breakdown would just be guessing. And I don't do that here. That's the same story on the features and settings. I have no marketed inputs, no risk parameters, no money management options listed by the developer to discuss. Product simply isn't there anymore. Now, as for my own testing, there isn't any public material left to even attempt a fair comparison against. No equity call from the seller, no claim stats, no my FS book or live signals, nothing to put side by side with historical results, and without the original description or set files running a meaningful backtest of a black box EA that's been delisted doesn't tell us much anyways. Historical performance, when we can get it on the usual, is already only one piece of the picture. In this case, we don't even have that starting point. So the realistic bet is pretty straightforward. This EA is dead. If you already own a copy and it is still running okay on your account, treat it like any other unsupported robots. Keep position size small. Watch equity closely and be ready to switch it off the moment conditions change. Now, if you have already bought it, you can comment about how it works, whether it was useful for you, whether it made profits or losses, or it blew your account. Just let us know anything will be useful so new buyers or can know whether it was worth buying or whether they're happy it got removed. Now, if you never bought it, there's nothing to chase here. Looking for re-uploads or private versions later is usually a bad idea, as those tend to carry the same problem without the market's limited protection. Now, who is this for at this point? Basically, only existing owners who already have activations left and are comfortable running something with zero future updates. Now, everyone else should just move on. And that's the honest picture. No hype, no drama, just the current state of the product. Now, if you're wondering what is there to gain here, you can check out our other videos on other EAs, either on gold, Forex, commodities, crypto. There are so many EAs out there. And so you can check our channel and go through our videos and let us know which one you like most. You can also check them out because I did a lot of backtests on other EAs and how they worked. So if you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment with the next EA you want me to look at. And don't forget to grab that free robot with lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in, and the link is in the description below if you haven't tried it yet. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.